Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Hi, this is your Tech Assistant Ratul. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can use WinRar software or WinRar tool to extract or create a RAR or zip file. It's very easy, so keep watching this video till the end to understand the complete process. To download the WinRar or to know how to install the WinRar, please visit the video description below. We are just going to show you how you can create or extract the unarchived files by using WinRar. What is WinRar? WinRar is a tool with the help of which we can archive or unarchive any files or folders. What do you mean by archive? Archive means you can compress the file. For example, you have 50 songs in one folder and you want to send all these songs at a time to your friend. What you can do, you can just send the songs one by one. Otherwise, you can select all the songs and create a zip or RAR file and send to your friend. Otherwise, in the second option, you can just create a folder and keep all the songs there. After that, just archive the folder in zip or RAR format, then send to your friends. So this is the use of archive and unarchive. There are many formats like RAR, zip, 7-zip and any other formats are available. So most of the formats are working with WinRar. Let's see how it works. First, you need to install the WinRar application. The link is given in the video description as well as our official Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is also given in the video description below. If you want, you can join there. Now, I have one folder.
1 Basic HTML 2 of 7.
This is some lessons of basic HTML. So I want this folder to convert into a zip file or RAR file. So let me show you how to do the same. Press application key or shift F10 key or open the context menu.
Context menu.
Press down the row until you hear add to archive.
Open a new window E. Pin to open and scan with give X restore brief include and pin to start add to archive A.
Press enter to open the add to archive dialog.
Archive name and parameters dialog default profile general property page default profile archive.
Give a name for your archive. I'm just using by default what it is there. I'm not changing this. So I'm pressing tab.
Browse button Alt plus B.
Browse. So if you want to browse any other folder or file, you can use
Profiles button Alt plus F.
Profiles.
Archive format grouping RAR radio button checked Alt plus R.
This is the archive format. So this is the radio button to check the format. By default, it's RAR selected.
RAR4 radio button checked Alt plus
RAR4,
4. Zip radio button
zip,
checked RAR radio button checked
RAR.
Alt plus R.
So these are three formats are available. So if you want, you can use whatever you want, either zip or RAR. So I'm pressing tab again.
Compression method combo box normal collapsed Alt plus C.
Compression method normal. Good. Best. So if you want to use best, so it takes quite time. So I'm choosing best.
Dictionary size combo box 32 MB collapsed Alt plus I.
Okay, so it's a size.
Split the volumes. Size combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus V blank.
So
Combo
next.
box MB collapsed. Update mode combo box add and replace
Update
files
mode.
collapsed Alt plus U.
Replace files means the files will be replaced with some other files.
Archiving options grouping. Delete files
delete
after
box.
archiving checkbox not checked Alt plus D.
So don't check this box, because if you check this box, then after archiving, the original files will be deleted automatically. So don't check this box. Be careful.
Create SFX set archive test add recover test archive add create solid archive checkbox create SFX archive checkbox not checked Alt plus X.
So we are not going to discuss in SFX archive or
Create solid
archive.
archive checkbox add recovery record checkbox not checked
Add
Alt plus E
recovery
test
record.
archived files checkbox not checked lock archive checkbox not set password button Alt plus P.
So set password. So if you want to keep the password, you can just set the password. It's very similar. Just press enter here and give a password. Then you can just click on
OK button.
OK button. Then it will be archiving. So let me press enter on OK button.
Web development items view list 1 basic HTML 2 of 8.
Now I'm pressing N key.
1 basic HTML.RAR 8 of 8.
Right. So this is the file which we have created. Now I'm just changing the file name because already 1.html basic HTML is there.
1 dot space B space dot 1 Test basic HTML dot zip test basic HTML dot RAR 8 of 8.
So this is my file. So suppose you have downloaded any software in RAR format. Now I'm going to show you how you can extract the files from RAR or zip file. So there are three options we will show you. Three ways, I mean not three options, three types of unarchiving. So let's press the application key. The similar thing which you need to do, just press application key.
Context menu.
Press down arrow.
Open O. Add to favorites. Open with WinRar to extract files A.
So extract files means if you press enter, then the files will be extract the current folder where you are in. It will not create any folder, it will not take anything. Okay. So second thing is
extract here X.
Extract here means it will be extract. Here means wherever you are there it will be extract.
Extract files A.
Okay. And extract file means it is extract by default. So
extract to test basic HTML.
Extract to test basic HTML, which means it will be a folder will be created called basic HTML, test basic HTML, and under that folder all the files will be kept. So for safety purpose you should choose this option. So I'm just pressing enter on it and it will be unarchived.
Web development. Items view list. Test basic HTML.RAR 9 of 9.
Now I'm pressing up arrow.
Test basic HTML 8 of 9.
So this is the folder which we have just unarchived from
Test basic HTML.RAR 9 of 9.
This file. So I'm
Test
just click enter.
Items view list 1.
See.
Basic H selected.
This is the folder.
1. Basic HTML. Items view list. Basic HTML part. Items view.
Okay, so this is the folder which we can easily access. So this is the way you can archive or unarchive by using WinRar. I hope this video finds you well. So please press the like button and do subscribe if you visit first time this channel. Share your feelings into the comment section and feel free to ask any doubts into the comment section also. Do share this video with your friends, especially with beginners who will be able to know how to use archive or unarchive by using WinRar. There are free tools also available, which is called 7-zip, which you can use for free. And because WinRar is a paid application, so I'm using the trial version of WinRar. So if you want, you can try with the trial version. The details are given in the video description below. So this is for the day. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Thanks for watching. This is Ratul signing off.